Hey everybody, I am Cynthia Kane, author and founder of the Kane Intentional Communication Institute, and today we are talking about something really simple but truly life-changing, and that is the pause. So, you know those moments when someone says something that pushes a button, and before you know it, you've reacted, right? Maybe with irritation, defensiveness, shutting down, lashing out, walking away. And what I learned is that what happens in that space between what's said to us and how we respond, it determines absolutely everything about the quality of our communication. So I call this the pause principle, and it really is the practice of creating just a little bit of space before reacting so that awareness can enter. When we pause, we give our nervous system a chance to settle down, a chance to feel calm and safe, because in that moment, the body is saying to ourselves, protect ourselves, defend ourselves. You're uncomfortable right now. You're not feeling safe right now. Put your armor on. But a breath tells the body, I'm safe. I can handle this moment. I can choose to show up in a way that is kind, honest, and helpful. A breath signals to the body, we're okay. We've got this. And that's really the difference. When you pause, you move from reacting to responding. And reacting is automatic, it just happens, right? Responding is really intentional. It's where you're thinking before you actually express yourself. A few weeks ago, I was in a conversation that felt extremely tense, and I could feel my chest tightening, my jaw clenching, really all the cues that I was about to react. And I caught it. I took a slow breath. I let my shoulders drop and I said to myself, I can do this. Give me a second to think. I'm feeling discomfort right now in my body. I can choose to still show up in a kind, honest, and helpful way. And that pause changed everything. The energy softened, and I was really able to say what I really meant, not what my emotions wanted to say in that split second. So here is your practice this week. It is called the finger tap 1, 2, 3. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to notice your body signals. So you are going to start to pay attention to the sensation in your body, to the discomfort that might be there. The heart might be beating faster. You might feel tightness in the jaw, tightness in the stomach. You might just notice your shoulders are raised, right? You're going to notice the difficult and uncomfortable sensation in the body. When you notice that, that's your cue to finger tap 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to naturally lead you to an exhale, an inhale, and an exhale. That's your pause, right? That's the pause. And then after the pause, you're going to talk to yourself in that moment silently. You're going to ask yourself, how can I keep this conversation helpful? You're going to basically interrupt your regular pattern of reacting, and you're going to notice the sensation, finger tap 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll naturally lead to a breath. How can I keep this conversation helpful? How can I show up in a way that I respect right now? How can I keep the integrity of this conversation intact? So try this once a day, even in the really small moments. Try it once a week, really starting to pay attention to what's going on in your body, that discomfort, using it as a cue to try this practice of finger tapping 1, 2, 3, 4. The other thing, it's not needing to be, super obvious, the tapping. You can do it on your lap, you can do it under a table, you can even have your hand on a desk pressing in and counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if you would like to go deeper into how to use this pause to communicate more mindfully, my book, The Pause Principle, How to Keep Your Cool in Tough Situations, is a great place to start. And you can find that linked below. And if this video resonated, subscribe, because all month long, we're going to be really exploring how to bring calm and care into our conversations. So I will see you in the next video.